I was looking on Pinterest trying to find some ideas, and I ran across over 50 ideas to get inspiration from the fantastic creators found on Pinterest. There are some really neat ideas on this list, and I'd like to recreate one myself. Please vote for your favorite in the comments below and give a like indicating that you voted. Once I get 100 votes, I'll recreate one of the winning ideas.
Perfectly rounded stone fits in your hand. Syncopated subway home in time with the band. Fly by Sunday, backseat tune. This could happen to you. This could happen to you. This could happen to you. You came up, you planted, you jumped over the creek, and you stuck it. You're able and focused. Whatever has your mind gets a sharpened edge. What will you do with your power? What will you do with your power? What will you do with your power? The engine, the longing, whoever's at the wheel keeps on turning, but you stood up, you lasted, you climbed out of the truck when you crashed it. What will you do with your power? What will you do with your power? find yourself alive where you landed, and together we're banded. But there is only one who can answer this. What will you do with your power? What will you do with your power? What will you do with your power? With your power. Opening, closing, all in one day. Blue sky, then violent rain. Feeling the dirt shift, sensing the change. The dog has been shaken outside of a crate. Opening, closing, statements or phrase. Radio channels, curses or praise. News and instruction, omits for the pain. Bad conditions breaking everything. In this strange weather, a time to be alive. In capital letters, with no end in sight. Close together just feels right.
We're not done yet, but I wanted to thank you for watching the video. And if you're getting value, please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss another creative post. A super thanks would be really helpful but definitely not necessary. And a thumbs up would help the channel for free so I can continue making videos. I'll have another creative video you're going to love on the screen soon. Go ahead and watch that video and I'll see you there.